Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. So today I'm just going to have a little bit of bloom fun with two colours in the pillow paint just to see what effects we can get on a butterfly. And this butterfly actually brings back some memories because when Darren started making his own shapes, this was one of the first butterflies he ever made, which I thought was super cute. So I'm going to kick some tunes on. We're going to put down a vibrant palette and have some fun.
Who would have known years ago something beautiful could take a hold of your world, lead you down that road where you'd never go. Who could have seen or believed it turned out like this? What seemed perfect, what felt right would be such a mess. And if you forget, it's not over yet. Give what you got left. When you're feeling low, I can lead you home. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Through the night I will carry you, hand in hand, what you walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. If you're tired, if you're weak, keep on looking up. Fight the fight and you'll see that you're far from done. And if you need someone, it's not over yet. Give what you got left. When it feels unfair, know that I'll be there. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. Go on, I see it, I see it, I see it. Oh, I see the light. Through the night I will carry you, hand in hand, what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see the light. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see the, I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. It's not over yet. Oh, I see the light. Night I will carry you, hand in hand, what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. I tend to give him way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic. Don't need to waste my time trying to prove I'm enough for you. I just happen to make it a habit. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Baby I'm fine, I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine, RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wake me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Baby I'm fine. I'll be alright, with or without you. Don't waste my time. Feeding me lies, I know you're about to. I don't need to wait no more. I don't even miss you. I'm already out the door. No, it's not an issue. Trust me, baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. You know I'm fine. Living a daydream. Baby I'm fine. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine.
New day coming, got my soul running. Look to bluer skies. Heartbeat drumming, got my blood humming. Feels like I'm a fly. I'm ready for it. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Yeah, it feels good to be me. It feels good to be me. Ain't no worries, I don't gotta hurry. Kiss those cares goodbye. Hello freedom, live what I'm dreaming. On a time to be alive. Get ready for it. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Get free, free, do what you do, go on and be what you please. Get free, free, move how you move, on and be what you please. Get free, free, do what you do, go on and be what you please. Get free, free, move how you move, go on and be what you please. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, There's a fire inside and I just can't hide it. There's a fire inside and I just can't fight it. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. There's a feeling inside, let it take it over. The past is in the past, wipe it off my shoulder. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. I was born in the river and the river was wild, washed by the water, I've been baptized. Out of the ashes I rise and like a phoenix. If you try to hold me back, you better believe that I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. There's a burning in my soul like a southern preacher. I can feel it boiling up like a new believer. You know I'm coming for you. I was born in the river and the river was wild, washed by the water, I've been baptized.
Alright guys, well that's her. I think she turned out pretty cool. I'm really glad I used the white and yellow pillow. I really love the effects up on the top left wing there. Really beautiful. So that's it for me. Hope you had fun. Next up after me we have the dynamic duo of Tony and Kat Pender from the Hippydippypainterman. So follow us along because the Fluid Art Express is never done till we've had our caboose. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. As always, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Go get messy.
This is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like an